Hello friends, I'm Nathan Daniel and today we'll be learning about experiment number 5, which is the simulation of deterministic finite automata, DFA, okay, to simulate the concept of DFA, okay. So DFA is basically like parsing the thing, okay. So it's like a finite automation machine. So let's check out the output, the program. Okay. So this is the program that I have done. So simulation of DFA will import the package like util.star and io.star. Public class Java application 3. Public int transition is equal to new int. So public int. So this is what we are initializing the variables. So it's in public class. Okay, it's in public class Java application 3. So all this gets initialized. So the final states, the alphabets, the state set, and initializing names one. So public void build DFA. So it's a basic command, build DFA throws exception. So here we'll be reading the exception that it's going to throw anyways. So buffer reader, so storing it in the buffer. BR is equal to new buffer reader, new input stream reader, stream system.m. So this scanner class can be used. So entering the number of alphabets in the alphabet, alpha set is equal to integer.parseInt. So basically this is what is initializing, right? Yeah. Then entering the number of states. So state set is this integer.parseInt. So it's just reading the lines. Okay, it's reading the int and all. Then it's like string alphabets equal to br.readline. So it's reading the alphabets now. Before it was reading the integer, and then before that was buffer this one. Alpha set, state set, now alphabet, and now alphabeting dot add with the characters. Okay. Now we are going to be doing a for loop where state set is happening, like state set. Okay, so if being less than state set, yes, is it state set. System.out.println entering the number of rows, entering the row entries of the transition table for int r is equal to 0, r less than alpha set r plus plus. So initializing the r value, okay, that is less than alpha set. There it is less than state set. So r is less than state set, less than alpha set, and s is less than state set. Now initializing one integer.parseInt. Okay, so we're just reading all this lines. Now final states the same thing. So we're just reading everything like this. See build DFA. So the same thing is going on coming. And now with the new input, parse int br.readline. Okay, the same thing. See alpha set, state set. Oh yeah. Now we'll be doing the that is the initial states, and now we'll be doing the final states. New hash set integer, DFA set, DFA test, throws exception, buffered reader, BR is equal to new buffered reader, inputting the stream, initializing the state, system. So we're just printing this, entering the starting state, give input to the DFA, enter input with hash character. String input is equal to br.readline. Int index is equal to 0, while input.char at index exclamation is equal to 0. Hash is equal to hash. So basically this is just inputting in the character. Okay, while loop. So now state is transition state minus 1. So decrements it by 1, the state transition into the index 1. Okay, now it's incrementing the index plus plus. SOPLN final state after giving the input is plus state. If final states dot contains final state, Then we're printing it as your input is accepted by the DFA, else it's not. That's it. So now let's check. We'll just run it. So enter the number of alphabets. We'll be entering 2. Entering the number of states in the set of DFA. We'll be entering 4. Now, now to enter all the alphabets of the DFA, to enter the alphabets. So let's enter A and B. So now it's inputted it. Enter the row entries of the transition table. 2 and 1. Okay, so because we have entered the number of alphabets has to be 2, right? So 2. Now enter the row entries of the transition table. 2 and 3. Okay, let's enter 2 and 3. Now we'll be entering 2 and 4. Sorry, 2 and 4. Now enter the row entries of the transition table. So and 2 and 4 has been entered. Now we'll be entering 2 and 1. So enter the final states of the DFA. So now when we are done giving the inputs, enter -2. So sorry, so 4 -2. So now we're done. Finally, we're done with the. So we initialized all the states, and now the final state is 4. -2 is just for quitting. From that, 4. Enter the final. Enter the starting state now. 1. Okay. Give input to the DFA and your input with hash character. So now we're going to input as AABB hash. This is just grammar, okay, that we're going to give. AABB hash. So yeah, so that's it. So now we've got the final state after giving the input is 4. So now we give the final input as 4, right, over here. Input as 4. So final state after giving input is 4, so it's correct. So the string, it matches with the string grammar. Sorry. So thank you, friends. This is the experiment number 4, experiment number 5, simulation of DFA. Thank you.